Hi, today I'll be trying to draw a hummingbird. Let's start by drawing the construction lines. Draw a egg shape that slants to the left. Then draw an oval shape, semicircle. I'm going to make the body a little more longer. Then we can draw another oval shape that points to the right. This is going to be the tail of the hummingbird. Then for the wings, just draw an S line at the top, right here. Make it start like this. And just make C shapes like that. Then make the angle of the C pointing to the top like that. Then draw some lines and some U shapes. We have finished the wing. Now we can start drawing the outline of the actual bird. Just make it a little more thinner than it was before. Then just draw a tiny thin beak. Then draw a circle for an eye. Then draw two smaller circles inside it. Then fill it in. If you want, you can add an extra wing in the back like that. Then the tail, draw some U shapes. Some can curve and some are straight. Some zigzag lines right here. I'm going to make the eye a little more to the middle. Finished fine lining it. Now we can make the edges or the edges of the bird are darker, thicker. phthalo blue, Haley blue reddish, a cadmium yellow, emerald green, a light green, and a black. A flower, done. See you until next time. Bye.